Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the gradient tool in Paint.NET. So the gradient tool is right here. You can just press G on your keyboard, or you can just click on this gradient tool. So as you can see, the gradient, we have different types of gradient: linear, diamond, and you can just go over those, spiral, so on and so forth. But for this example, I'm going to use linear. So gradient, you choose two colors and then you drag and drop. So for example, let's do green, no, let's do blue, and I'm going to click on my secondary color underneath it. So I just clicked on the white color here, and let's do red. So that's how you change between primary and secondary color if you don't want to use the drop down menu. So I have blue and red here. So now, like I said, I've selected the gradient tool and we have linear. So let's say I want to make a background. Basically what I'm going to do is left click on my background layer and I'm going to drag. As you can see, this makes a gradient color. So it is as simple as that. You can use the different modes. You don't even have to recreate it. You can just click on it and it automatically converts it. So yeah, that's how you use the gradient tool. I think this looks pretty neat actually. So yeah, that's how you use gradient in Paint.NET. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and sub if it helped you out, and I'll see you guys next time.